I'm Emily from Happy Organized Life, and if you've been following me for any amount of time or seen the blog or anything, you've probably heard me announce I'm starting a YouTube channel. And yeah, I announced that like 2 years ago and then didn't post anything. So today I'm gonna give you a little kind of background on where I've been, what's been going on, and what I plan to do with this channel moving forward. So that's today. So I have been blogging for almost 7 years now, and when I first thought about and announced doing a YouTube video about 2 years ago, I thought, oh, this will be so fun, it'll be so easy. Yeah, I kind of underestimated what it would be like to step out from behind my computer. It's kind of like YouTube and video, that's a whole new beast. It's a whole new thing. Even though I've put this off, it was something that I just couldn't stop thinking about doing it, because I know that the people that I feel the most connected to and the ones that I'm most interested in are the ones who are doing video. It's the platform, the medium through which I feel like I learn best. It's the most engaging and interesting to me, and I know that some of my readers probably feel the same way. It's also so much easier to show things and talk about the process of doing things with video, and you can actually hear my voice and kind of hopefully get a better sense maybe than when I just write things about like what I'm meaning and what I'm going through. So yeah, I'm excited for this new adventure, but I'm also, if I'm not, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm also a little nervous, but here we go. Another kind of hurdle that was holding me back was I announced that I was gonna start a channel when my 5th child was, I think she was around 6 months old. And like most women, after just having a baby, I was not totally comfortable with my weight. And I let that kind of be the, when I lose X amount of weight, I'll start, you know, taping. Well, X amount of weight is like, it's a decent amount of weight. Like, it's not just gonna happen next week or next month even. So I finally decided, you know what, I can't let my weight hold me back from doing what I wanna do, and decided I'm just gonna start taping these videos and sharing them, and people will just see me shrink over time, and then they'll see that I've made a great weight loss progress too, right? And then I found out I was pregnant. And then it was like, oh my gosh. So instead of seeing me shrink on video over time, people are going to see me balloon up on video. I just cannot handle that. Like my pregnant mind could not handle all of that, like prepping for baby number 6 and knowing that I was going to, I'm not a magical pregnancy unicorn. When I get pregnant, I'm more like a swollen tick or, you know, something like that. It's not attractive, that's what I'll say. It's not necessarily something that I want to document and then share on the internet for God knows how many people to see. So I put it off. That baby number 6 is now about to turn 1, and I am still far from the goal weight that I wish I was. But once again, I decided, you know what, I can't let weight hold me back from what I want to do. Weight, aka body clutter, because let's be honest, that's pretty much what it is, right? So I decided to just dive in, and it also helps that I have lost weight this year. So I've lost about 30 pounds already this year. I was 50 pounds over this last year when I had a baby. Now granted, some of that was baby. He was 10 pounds, and then, you know, everything associated with baby. But so I've lost 50 pounds since last year. I've lost 30 since January, and 12 of those have come off in just the last month. So I'm gonna do a whole different video on that kind of stuff, because I know this is an organizing channel. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get into like health and fitness, because that's obviously not one of my passions. But I am gonna share kind of what's working for me in that area, because I think so much of why we have any type of excess or any type of clutter, whether it's like stuff in our house or excess weight, all that kind of stuff, has so many, it's all connected. So I am going to be sharing here and there like what I'm doing, what's working for me, and hopefully there'll be tips for, you know, that'll be helpful even if you don't have to lose weight, just helpful like shortcuts and productivity tips. So that's where I've been. I've been popping out babies and avoiding mirrors and cameras. So that's been my life for, it feels like 10 or 11 years now, but we're gonna change that. Going forward, what I'm hoping to do on this channel is to just kind of share my progress in the decluttering process. So if you are not familiar with me and you don't know who I am not one of those born organized people. I wish I was, that would be awesome. Instead, I am just someone who's on her decluttering journey. And over the last few years, something has flipped in my brain where I suddenly like really no longer have trouble getting rid of things. There are some things every once in a while that give me pause and like I struggle with, but overall, I've kind of become a ruthless declutterer. So I want to share like what I've done and what has helped me get to this point, because I know a lot of people are struggling with that. So yeah, this is what I'm hoping to share. Hopefully over the next like 6 to 12 months, you'll see both my body clutter and my house clutter shrink and kind of get to more of my goal and what I'm hoping to achieve. And I'd be thrilled for you to come along on the journey with me. If you have anything that you'd like to see me declutter or talk about, just leave those in the comments below. And if you want to give me a thumbs up, or even better yet, a follow, I would love that. So I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.